my phone. I'm out here living my life in bold. Good life feels right.
Roz, she just gives so much to make sure that we're going to succeed just like she can. So I love her to bits and everything that she does for us. She always goes over and beyond.
The only one feeling good, feeling right, living the life. I do it my way, keep on going my way. I'm out here doing it right.
Thank you for being here. This is your systems and getting your business organised.
I'm out here doing it right. I'm out here living the life. I'm out here doing it right. I'm out here living the life.
Roz built Travel Agent Achievers up with like-minded travel advisors. I love sharing stories with other travel advisors and learning from each other.